Are you looking for the best 3D printer under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Comgrow Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D Printer. The Comgrow Creality Ender 3 Pro is one of the best 3D printers under $500 you can choose. Tailored to meet the needs of beginners and create a fun, STEM educational experience, this printer is easy to use and install. It serves as an upgrade to the already popular line of Ender printers. The Ender 3 is more reliable, comes with a name brand power supply, and features a huge surface area that allows you to bring your creativity to life. It comes equipped with some improved mechanical properties such as better bearing wheels to help reduce friction and stiffness and some broad rubber feet to minimize the noise level. It's designed with a removable magnetic surface plate that ensures all-around protection while providing the entire build surface with a consistent temperature. And since the surface plate can be removed, users will be able to remove their print jobs with ease. Additionally, the Ender 3 Pro features a new Y-axis design as well as a resume print function that can be quite beneficial in the event of power outages. While this 3D printer is a semi-assembled machine, installing and assembling the parts isn't a difficult task. If you're looking for a budget 3D printer under the $500 price tag, the Comgrow Creality Ender 3 Pro is one of the best products you can choose. Number 2. ELEGOO Mars UV Photocuring LCD 3D Printer. If you're looking for the perfect resin-based 3D printing machine under $500, then look no further than the ELEGOO Mars UV Photocuring LCD 3D Printer. This machine offers a simple and interesting 3D printing experience that is unlike many machines in the same price range. It guarantees high-quality prints even with the smallest effort. This 3D printer uses masked stereolithography to provide a quiet and peaceful printing experience. You don't have to deal with the filament wrangling, nozzle crackling, and messy hot ends that come with desktop fuse deposition modeling. The included Chitabox slicing software slices 30 megabits.stl model files in just 1 minute and allows you to hollow out your model before slicing. This ELEGOO printer is well built and well designed. While the unit is heavy, you get a well-balanced build that slides around easily whenever you need it to. The Z-axis assembly comes with enough clearance that makes it easy to sling the lid on and off without affecting the printer in any way. And since the entire lid can be lifted off, you get unrestricted access to the resin tank, plus you'll be able to remove your prints more cleanly than you can in a number of other printers. Endowed with a build size of 120 by 68 by 155 mm, this may not be the largest printer on our list, but it's one of the best and most user-friendly 3D printers under the $500 price tag. Enthusiasts and hobbyists alike are sure to have fun using this 3D printer. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Photon UV LCD 3D Printer. When it comes to budget DLP printers, there are many different options to choose from. However, many of them don't come close to the ANYCUBIC Photon UV LCD 3D printer in terms of features and overall appeal. Sitting within the $300 price range, this budget 3D printer is reliable, affordable, and ideal for those looking for DLP/SLA desktop 3D printing. It's no longer news that resin printers offer the most reliable print quality, but this 3D printer makes it clear that even budget printers can create noteworthy prints. While there's a learning curve here for beginners and those who haven't used an SLA/DLP printer before, the clear documentation, online resources, and helpful community associated with this machine will help you overcome this issue easily. That being said, ANYCUBIC Photon UV LCD 3D printer does come with its downsides, too. The build volume is pretty small, though it comes with enough space to create most projects. You'll also have to worry about some of the common problems associated with resin 3D printers, including material handling, post-processing, sticky resin, and so on. Affordable and capable of producing high-resolution prints, this 3D printer is still one of the most ideal printers for beginners who are looking to delve into resin 3D printing. Number 4. Monoprice Select Mini 3D Printer. The Monoprice Select Mini 3D Printer V2 is another incredibly low-cost printer you're bound to love. With a price tag just a little above $200, this 3D printer comes with a feature set that makes it well worthy of being on our list of top 3D printers under $500. This is a hackable piece of gear, which means that you can pop it open and make your own upgrades. The Select Mini produces well-made prints that are comparable to what you get on many more expensive printers. It comes with a 120 by 120 by 120 mm build volume, a 55 mm per second printing speed, and a heated build plate. This 3D printer is also compatible with many slicing software such as Cura, Simplify 3D, and Replicator G. Its standard 1.75 mm spool uses both ABS and PLA filament, and models can be loaded via USB or micro SD port. The Monoprice Select Mini, however, comes with its own downsides. It tends to run at unstable temperatures when the hot end is in use. Number 5. Creality Open Source CR10 3D Printer. The Creality Open Source CR10 3D printer is a large Cartesian-style printer with a build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 mm. It comes with Go Faster stripes, a separate control box, and is very easy to assemble. Sitting at the $400 price point, this budget 3D printer offers more build size than many other printers in its price range. It's compatible with many standard slicing software and allows you to make huge prints easily. You get a full frame that allows for more stabilization, and thanks to the fact that the control box is separate from the machine, the heat bed won't overheat your control board. The Creality Open Source CR10 3D printer also eats up filaments easily. It handles TPU and PLAs quite well with only a little bit of spool tangling on the PLA side. This machine also produces modest prints for a semi-assembled machine, but with the right tweaks, you're sure to get awesome results. It's hackable and can be modded with different parts to produce better printing results. This machine has its downsides, though. For instance, it doesn't seem to do well with materials that require consistent temperatures, such as ABS, and the print bed also takes time to get heated up. However, putting these annoyances aside, this 3D printer could easily become your daily driver. Number 6. ANYCUBIC MEGAS New 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC MEGAS New 3D Printer is a cheap 3D printer that offers an incredible print quality at a low price point. Serving as an upgrade to the i3 Mega, this machine comes with many enhancements that make it a worthy contender on this list of best 3D printers under $500. It comes with the same design and sturdy all-metal frame that the i3 is known for. Both the design and frame play an important part in helping it produce great quality prints. Unlike the i3, though, the MEGAS has its name inscribed on its face. The huge base is home to a full-color touchscreen and a robotic mascot that looks like Iron Man. Featuring a build volume of 210 by 210 by 205 mm, this cheap 3D printer starts the first layer of each print on the popular ANYCUBIC Ultrabase heated bed, ensuring that the print remains on the bed and comes off easily when the job is done. The ANYCUBIC MEGAS New 3D printer comes semi-assembled, which makes it a great option for creators and beginners who aren't looking to build their machine from scratch. Sitting around the $300 price point, this machine comes with some new upgrades that aren't featured on the i3, such as filament runout detection and power loss recovery. It also features a spool holder suspended on the side of the machine as well as a new filament sensor placement that helps enhance usability.